Loading 120 film on your own can be intimidating the first time. So let's break it down. Here's the roll of exposed film, and it's protected by the backing paper. We remove the backing paper and start to unravel. Now we can feel the film with our thumb. We'll unroll the film separately from the paper. Now we reach the point where there's tape. Gently hold the film and pull. The rest of the loading process is quite simple. We start the film, pull it just to give it a start. Pop the reel onto the spool. Light trap, ready to develop.